Alright, here we are again. Today, I want to put a rain flapper on this exhaust because, as you can see, I got this bag on here. It's been kind of rainy lately here in Las Vegas, so I've already forgotten that the bag was on there and have started the tractor and it's popped multiple holes in the bag. So we're going to fix that, and we're going to do that. We're going to use this little flapper I got on Amazon. I think we're just going to cut the pipe with a pipe cutter to avoid little bits falling down into the muffler. Alright, let's get started. Getting it started was a little tricky because it's not exactly perfectly cylindrical, but now it's working pretty well. Alright, well, that pipe cutter got us most of the way, but I'm having a hard time getting it the rest of the way because it's bottoming out. So I'm just going to remove this pipe and cut it on my metal cutting saw, which is what I should have done in the first place. Safety first. Just done that the first time. There's stuff in here. Okay, let's see. Something like that. So as you can see, the muffler is just held in by this U-bolt. Pretty simple. That's what I was in there tightening, this guy. Alright, so I think that came out pretty good. Fits perfect here. And I don't have to worry about taking that stupid bag off every time I go to start this thing. I pointed it forward so that when this opens, it can hopefully expel the exhaust forward. So, there you go. Thanks for watching.